country, South Korea. Firstly, there are many beautiful traditional buildings like Hanok. It is a house people used to live in the old days. It is truly gorgeous. In addition, there is a lot of great music. For instance, there is K-pop. It is a very famous genre. There are many popular singers that are also well-known to foreigners. Moreover, there are delicious foods. One is called yakgwa. It is a traditional Korean honey cookie. It became a trend again in Korea last year. It can be quite sticky but is very sweet and tasty. Furthermore, there are many traditional clothes like hanbok. Everything about hanbok, including the shape and the color, is stunning. Don't you think Korea is amazing? I hope you will visit South Korea very soon. Thank you for listening.